EagleRunnerBill.com. Eagle Runner Bill here. I was doing a little bit of practice. Tonight is my pool night, and my cue is making a rattling noise. It isn't a real expensive cue, but it's a player's, so they make pretty quality cues. You can hear that rattle. Now I'm going to try to isolate it. Is it the back side of the stick or the front side of the stick? Make sure my ferrule is nice and tight. Bang on it. Check for that joint in the back. Make sure it's nice and tight, not loose. It's definitely not the front part of the stick. So now I'll take the back side. Check the joint. Feels tight there. Let's go to the back here. And you can hear it rattling a little bit. It's coming from the back end. You hear that? Let's pull out this little rubber plug on the bottom. Make sure nothing falls out. I want to catch it. I don't want to lose it. And in the back there you'll see a Allen head. I don't know if you want to call it a screw or if you want to call it a weight, because they put the weights, and I'm pretty sure that's a part of the weight. Got an Allen wrench. And in these sticks, believe it or not, they're metric. It's a number 6. So I'm going to just go ahead and remove that. Make sure there's nothing loose behind that screw or weight. Go ahead and pull it all the way out. Check it. See if there's anything left out. Looks like it's just this. I don't hear that rattling anymore. So, but this Allen screw or weight was loose. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up. Got a number 6 Allen head tool. And I'm not going to make it real tight. It's all wood. I don't want to break it. I put it hand tight, and I'm turning it about 1/8 or 1/4 inch. Get it nice and snug. Hopefully, I don't hear the problem now. I think that's probably a good fix. So if your stick is rattling, you can see it's not that difficult to troubleshoot, and hopefully you'll have an easy repair just like this one. Go ahead and slide that plug back in, put it together. No more rattling. I think that's a good fix. Let's just hope it lasts forever. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.